Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video, including my modeling kit for work. This is my bag, filled to the brim. In this front compartment, I just keep like a bunch of small random things. So I have hand cream. This is the Aesop Reverence hand balm. Somebody recently told me that this smells like if you left an ashtray out in the rain. It kind of does. I know that sounds really gross, but it's really nice. It's a bit woody. But anyway, I love this hand cream. I recently got this. Look how cool. Oh my God, I broke my nails. Don't look at that. This is like a vintage cigarette case that I recently found in an antique shop. And it's like this glow mesh stuff, which I love. But I just keep random things in here. I have eye drops. I wear contact lenses, so I feel like I'm always just like a lipstick. This is MAC Spirit, the lipstick that I always wear. I always keep mints. A lot of makeup artists have mints in their kit because they're all up in people's faces and they don't want like coffee breath. But I feel like I'm usually the one with coffee breath, so I started bringing mints. That's usually all I keep in this like little front compartment. In the main compartment, I keep my headphones. Oh my God, even just putting them on, I can't hear anything. Genuinely only wear these on the plane. Like for day-to-day use, I just wear my AirPods, but whenever I have to fly for work, I just like pass out on the plane, so I always bring like over-the-head headphones. I actually asked my mum which headphones I should get because, fun fact, my mum used to be a musician randomly and she knows a bunch about like sound engineering and all the stuff that I have no idea about. So I was like, Mum, what headphones should I get? And she was like, Sennheiser used to be like a really good brand back when she was doing all of her music stuff. I'm glad that I listened to her because these are really, really good. So shout out to my mum. Love you, Mum. The next thing that I keep in there is a portable charger. This is a power pod. I think I got this from a vending machine one day when I was like desperate. I feel like I have 100 portable chargers and they all suck. So I just need that little bit extra power to get me home. I never bother upgrading them because it does a trick. So the next thing I have is a water bottle. I like that this one is so easy to carry. It's a good size. It is plastic, so it's probably gonna kill me one day, but I'd probably put worse things in my body, it's fine. I don't always bring this with me, but I have a notepad. I love to write, ooh, what do I have in here? I love to write lists. I'm a big list person. I'm gonna be so real with you, I don't always bring this with me, but when I remember or I have space in my bag, and I use my phone sometimes, but a physical list just like scratches my brain, you know? Another thing that I don't always bring with me, one of these like fold up bags. I feel like this is really good. This I feel like is always good for when I end up buying something and I'm like, wait, I have a bag. I get so much use out of this, so would recommend. This is my modeling kit. This is like where the real tea is. It's really cool. The first thing that I keep in here is a nude strapless bra and also nude underwear. I have makeup wipes. These are my favorite wipes. I actually try and get I think they're called the hydrating ones, but they were sold out. Have a lot of like product on them, like they're very wet. It's the best for just making sure everything is off your face. The next thing I have in here, I keep like hand and body warmers in here. Usually like someone on set will have them in their kit, but I just like to bring them just in case. Honestly, just the amount of times that I've been shooting like butt freaky naked and it's like the middle of winter, so I feel like they're really useful to keep with you. Keep you warm, you know. I have like one of these little kits that has like a bunch of random stuff in here. I have Hollywood tape, the double-sided tape, a little sewing kit, and also has like some safety pins and stuff in there. Band-aids. I have some spare earring backs, nipple covers. I'm always losing like my tiny little earrings whenever I'm on set, so I feel like it's good to have somewhere to put them and protect them. If I had $1 for every time I left a piece of jewelry on set, to have something like this where it's like it can't go anywhere, you know. I also have some sanitary products which I won't show you, but you get the idea. That's pretty much all that I keep in this little kit. Okay, and then the last thing is just like this little pocket inside. In here I just keep my wallet, all my cards and stuff on one side, and then inside I keep some like cash, coins, and also some spare contact lenses, hand sanitizer, and lip balm. This is my favorite one. I just love the dermal therapy one. Like I don't really care what flavor it is. It's just so good. That is everything. Oh my God. I really feel like I've forgotten something, but that's it. That's everything that I keep in my bag. So thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun filming this. I'm still thinking through some other things that I'd like to film. So if you have any ideas, any recommendations, please let me know. I would love to hear them. Yeah, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.